Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing a Google account from your Android device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, scroll down to Accounts and Backup. At the top of the Accounts and Backup settings, tap on Manage Accounts. Select the Google account that you would like to remove, and then tap on Remove Account on the Account page. Note that removing the account will delete all of the data for that account off of your device, such as messages, contacts, and emails. Tap Remove Account on the pop-up. Then tap OK on the next pop-up. Your Google account has now been removed from your phone. When you open up Gmail, YouTube, or any other Google service, you will no longer be logged in to that account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.